G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here, and today we have the 2021 Aprilia RSV4 machine in lava red. And there you have it folks, the 2021 Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory machine in lava red. It's absolutely stunning. Now, as always, I will leave our phone number in the comment section below, so make sure you give our Parramatta location a call if you would like any specifications, features, or availability on these machines. You can also check out our website, which I'll leave there in the comment section as well. I'm Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles, and I'll see you on our next video.